Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to the bonk update today. So very quickly, do make sure that you get this coin that I'm giving away for totally free, okay? Because previously Pepe was down in accumulation and it pumped. We saw ICP in accumulation and it actually pumped here. Bonk had 1 year accumulation or so, and then it pumped to the upside. Dogecoin also had 1 year accumulation, pump. SHIB as well, and this is the next one, okay? This has been just sideways for 1.5 years. So to get it for free, come down to the Discord, click on Discord, go to announcement, click on my name, and then you're gonna get into it, right? So back into the bonk video update today. So this is gonna be a very rapid fire update at the moment, and right now on the daily time frame we can actually say that bonk may see a little bit of a retest, which is coming down like to 2700. There is a little bit of three touches with this line right over here. So do you notice? So you have one touch here and a wick here and another touch right over there. So we still are a little bit better. And if I show you what the EMAs are still doing, you can actually see that bonk actually came down, but it's still touching the 10 EMA, which is still okay. Do you remember when I used to do bonk videos a long time ago and I told you that this was exactly what happened when you had the bull run? You pick to the upside, you touch the 10, you pick up, you touch the 10 again, you went up, you touch the 10, you touch the 10 and the 10. So the 10 historically has been amazing, okay? And we can actually see a similar situation where you touch the 10 and you start to push back up again, right? So that's all for the video. Keep the eyes on EMA and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.